if you're experiencing login issues on Upwork. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the Upwork.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact Upwork support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Upwork support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will help you resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your login issues on Upwork. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.